Hello and welcome to 5 Minutes with Tejas Bhamre. Today we have with us a national level shooter, Pratik Kalgudkar. He has an experience of shooting for more than 2 years. He has played at various state level tournaments and also represented Maharashtra at the national level. Shooting is a game of stability, but it also has various other aspects. So let us get to know the multidimensional overview of shooting. So Pratik, tell us, when did you develop an interest in shooting?
So yes, I have this hobby which turned out into my passion. My dad being a police officer, I was in and around with the guns, the real guns at our place. So back then I always had a dream that I could shoot them once. So one fine day I joined an academy by myself to learn the shooting skills, and later on I pursued a scholarship through it. So yes, back then it was a good journey, but now the fun part of my life became the serious part of my life.
That's quite interesting. Can you please show us the gun which you use for shooting?
So I have this weapon. This is Steyr Evo 10. It is an 4.5 caliber gun, and basically it has a trigger weight of more than around 550 grams. So I'll show you how the basic functioning of the uh, gun happens is we have to take the small pellets. So we have to insert it in this part of the gun, and then later we have to close, and then we have to take a shot. I hope you guys find this interesting.
The gun is really awesome. And what role does physical fitness play in shooting?
Physical fitness and also the mental fitness plays a very vital role in the game. We have to keep our energy sustained in a particular direction for whole sum of 2 hours, for which specific muscle and also the emotional stability that is concerned with every shot has to be clear. So for that we have to be mentally and physically well equipped before taking any other shot.
We totally understand that fitness plays a huge role. But how can we remain calm and composed?
Well, this is a tricky question. Being a person with human emotions, every shooter has to go through multiple thoughts during the game. To be blank mentally for every shot, it is a bit challenging, but eventually it happens over a course of time.
We all consider shooting to be a great sport. So how can we make a career in it?
There are various options that one can pursue through shooting, from becoming a well-known shooter to becoming a guide that helps in various aspirants. You can also be a part of fitness guide, mental trainer. As being a sportsman for this particular sport, you know what exactly the sport demands and what players have to go through, by which the fitness trainer and also the mental trainer can earn in this aspect as well. Also, one thing about shooting is it helps you in achieving emotional control, vision, mindset, mental processing, and also brings in various disciplines in other aspects of life.
It's so wonderful that there are so many options. Could you please tell us what all are the events that are played in shooting?
Yes, so there are three events in the pistol shooting game. That is the 10-meter air pistol, the 25-meter, and the 50-meter. So 25-meter is basically further segregated into center fire, the standard pistol, and the rapid fire. My primary event is the 10-meter air pistol, which I have been practicing from the last 2 years.
You, as a shooter, need a large area for practice. So, in the lockdown, how did you manage it to do it in your house?
Not exactly large, but a span of 10 meters is enough. So, by placing the target at a given height and distance, we can carry out our try fire. So, I've tried to make a shooting range at my place. So, come, I'll take you to the range itself.
That was a great shot. Thank you so much, Pratik, for sharing so much of information about shooting with all of us. We understand that shooting is not a general sport, but a game of power and focus. We wish you all the best for your future. We also thank our title sponsor, FlexiFit24, who is a certified nutrition and fitness coach. They focus on giving smart diet to their clients so that they can achieve the desired fitness. I hope you all like this video. Thank you so much.